Introducing the Ergochair ERGO-RS, a premium ergonomic chair designed to revolutionize your sitting experience, whether you're working from home, in the office, or gaming for long hours. At its core, the ERGO-RS is engineered for precision support and full-body alignment. Its dynamic lumbar system automatically adapts to your spine's natural curve, reducing pressure and enhancing posture throughout the day. The multidimensional armrests are fully adjustable, up, down, forward, back, and side to side, allowing perfect positioning to reduce shoulder and wrist fatigue. Combined with a 4D recline mechanism and tilt tension control, you can lock in your perfect angle for focus or relaxation. The seat cushion is crafted from high-density molded foam, offering firm yet responsive comfort. It's wrapped in breathable, sweat-resistant mesh that promotes airflow and keeps you cool even in the longest sessions. Need customization? The ERGO-RS comes with seat depth adjustment, headrest angle control, and a flexible backrest that moves with you, not against you. Everything is designed to fit your body, not the other way around. Durability is no concern. With a reinforced steel frame, heavy-duty base, and Class 4 gas lift, it supports users of all sizes up to 350 pounds. Built to last, it combines industrial-grade components with sleek, modern aesthetics that look great in any setup. The Ergochair ERGO-RS isn't just a chair, it's your new wellness partner. Maximize comfort, boost productivity, and protect your posture one seat at a time. Sit smarter, live better. Choose ERGO-RS. Meet the InterVac Design Garage Vac, the ultimate wall-mounted vacuum solution that brings power, convenience, and clutter-free performance right into your garage, workshop, or utility space. Engineered for maximum efficiency and minimal space, the Garage Vac features a compact, vertical design that mounts easily on almost any wall surface, saving precious floor space while staying within arm's reach. At just 9 pounds and under 4 inches deep, it's incredibly sleek, yet impressively powerful. With 400 watts of suction, this vacuum delivers commercial-grade cleaning performance. Whether you're tackling sawdust, dirt, pet hair, or car debris, the Garage Vac handles it all with ease, leaving no mess behind. The system includes a 40-foot stretch hose that expands and contracts for total reach without the tangle. Clean your entire garage or vehicle from a single mounting point. No dragging or lifting required. Its HEPA-type filtration system captures fine dust and allergens, keeping your air cleaner and safer. And the best part? No dust bags. The bagless, reusable collection container is easy to empty and clean, saving you money and reducing waste. Built with durable, high-impact ABS plastic, the Garage Vac is made in the USA and built to last. It includes a full accessory kit, upholstery tool, crevice nozzle, dusting brush, and a telescoping wand. Everything you need for floor-to-ceiling cleaning. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a DIYer, or just need a fast and effective cleanup tool, the InterVac Garage Vac is your go-to wall-mounted solution. Powerful, compact, always ready. Make cleanup effortless. Choose the InterVac Design Garage Vac, where innovation meets simplicity. Meet the On Epiq EUV, the ultimate fusion of strength, technology, and mobility for today's professional technicians. Designed to go beyond traditional tool storage, the Epiq EUV, short for Electric Utility Vehicle, is more than a toolbox. It's a mobile workstation, a charging hub, and a command center rolled into one. Crafted with Snap-on's legendary quality, this powerhouse is built from a reinforced steel frame, engineered to handle the heaviest loads and the most demanding work environments. Its power locker drawer system glides effortlessly under weight, with secure locking mechanisms that keep your tools right where you need them. The spacious drawers are fully customizable, letting you organize your workspace exactly the way you work, efficiently, intuitively, and fast. But the real innovation lies under the surface. The Epiq EUV is powered by an integrated onboard battery system, enabling true cordless mobility. With built-in USB ports, AC outlets, and charging bays, you can run laptops, diagnostic scanners, power tools, and more, all from one place, with no need for extra extension cords or wall outlets. And then there's the digital touchscreen interface, a full-color control panel mounted right into the unit. From here, you can access repair procedures, pull up wiring diagrams, watch training videos, or even check inventory. It's about keeping your workflow uninterrupted and your productivity at maximum. LED lighting illuminates your workspace even in low-light bays, and a rugged stainless steel top provides a clean, tough surface for any kind of job, from teardown to testing. Whether you're servicing combustion engines, EVs, or the next generation of autonomous systems, the On Epiq EUV is built to keep pace and stay ahead. The future of tool storage isn't stationary. It's mobile. It's intelligent. It's EPIQ. On Epiq EUV. Engineered for those who never stop moving. Introducing the Winntec Wheel Assist, the smarter, safer way to handle wheels in your shop or garage. Tired of straining your back or fighting to align heavy wheels during service? The Winntec Wheel Assist is your ultimate solution. Built for technicians who demand efficiency and care about safety, this innovative tool is engineered to simplify wheel removal and installation, especially for larger, heavier wheels found on SUVs, light trucks, and commercial vehicles. With a heavy-duty yet lightweight frame, the Wheel Assist easily rolls into place, letting you lift, support, and align wheels without any physical strain. Its ergonomic design includes adjustable rollers that rotate the wheel to line up lug holes with precision, reducing guesswork and the risk of damage. The hydraulic lift system lets you raise or lower the wheels smoothly and securely with minimal effort, improving workflow and protecting your back from unnecessary stress. It's ideal for tire shops, dealerships, fleet maintenance, and anywhere wheel service is routine. Constructed from high-quality steel and finished with powder coating, the Wheel Assist is built to last. The compact base fits easily between lifts and under most vehicles, while the sturdy casters offer excellent maneuverability on shop floors. Whether you're working with alloy rims, steel wheels, or oversized tires, the Winntec Wheel Assist gives you the control and balance needed for faster, safer, and more accurate wheel changes every time. Cut down labor, boost efficiency, reduce injury risk. Winntec Wheel Assist, because precision lifting should be effortless. Presenting the Sewinfla Portable Inflatable Paint Booth, the go-anywhere, professional-grade solution for painters, detailers, and customizers who demand a clean, controlled environment. Designed for versatility and performance, this inflatable paint booth sets up in minutes and transforms any space into a dust-free, ventilated paint zone. Whether you're working on cars, motorcycles, furniture, or industrial parts, the Sewinfla booth gives you the space, safety, and airflow you need to get flawless results every time. Constructed from durable 210D Oxford fabric with reinforced PVC at high stress points, it's built to withstand the demands of everyday shop use while remaining lightweight and easy to store. The booth is available in a variety of sizes, with spacious interiors that comfortably accommodate most vehicles and projects. What sets the Sewinfla booth apart is its dual air filtration system. With massive intake filters on both sides and an oversized exhaust filter, it maintains clean airflow throughout the entire working area, helping prevent overspray, contamination, and fume buildup. This means better paint jobs and a safer workspace. Inflation is powered by high-output blowers, included with the booth, that can fully inflate the structure in just 3 to 5 minutes. Heavy-duty zippers, clear vinyl windows, and front and rear access doors ensure easy entry, visibility, and secure closure. And when you're done, it deflates quickly, folds up compactly, and fits neatly into a carry bag, ready to move to the next job or location. From mobile auto body professionals to weekend enthusiasts, the Sewinfla Portable Inflatable Paint Booth delivers convenience, quality, and professional-grade performance wherever your work takes you. Sewinfla, inflate your space. Elevate your results. Introducing the Spanesi Flash, an advanced infrared curing system engineered to deliver speed, precision, and efficiency to every paint and body repair job. Designed with cutting-edge short-wave infrared technology, the Spanesi Flash rapidly cures primers, fillers, and topcoats in a fraction of the time required by conventional systems. It penetrates deep into the coating, curing from the inside out, which means faster drying, reduced energy use, and better quality. Finishes. Its modular, ergonomic design includes articulated arms with telescopic reach, allowing technicians to easily position the curing heads exactly where they're needed, whether it's a bumper, hood, door, or panel. The result? Even, controlled heat application with no risk of burning or overcuring. At the heart of the system is a digital control panel that lets you adjust intensity, distance, and curing time with precision. It also stores customizable curing programs, so you can repeat high-quality results consistently across jobs. The Spanesi Flash is compatible with waterborne and solvent-based paints, making it ideal for modern body shops aiming for speed without compromising standards. Its fast curing cycle minimizes booth time, increases throughput, and gets vehicles back on the road faster than ever. From spot repairs to full panel work, the Spanesi Flash is a game-changer for productivity and quality control. Spanesi Flash, smart heat, superior speed, professional results.